Hello and welcome back, and right away, congratulations. It has been 11 days since we opened our order according to the harmonic patterns analysis, and yesterday the order closed at a profit. So you can see the profit over here. It's the last order in the history, $41.74. So I'm just going to drag it onto the chart so we can see how it played out. And here you can see we opened the order here. So we didn't know any of this part. All we saw was these three downward bars, and that's where we made our decision to sell, and we opened the order. Just for comparison, I'm gonna bring up the a snapshot of the screen when we made our order. So you can see it here on the left, and as you can see, we didn't know any of that movement. It was a purely technical analysis decision. We saw the harmonic pattern, we saw the Gartley butterfly, and we decided to enter. And now, as you can see, 11 days later, we have been rewarded with a take profit. So that's beautiful, just an amazing result. Let's quickly have a look at how the market played out. So I'm just going to zoom out a bit. Here you can see a bit better what happened. So we had, or maybe even a bit more. So we had this downward trend. Then we had a bit of a consolidation when we got to this is the 0.80 level. Here it is. So this is the 0.80 level. The market was very unconfident getting to this level, and you can see how the power price bounced off a couple of times. And by doing so, it formed this harmonic pattern, which we actually use for our analysis. Then the price went down at this stage. It kind of tested the it got to the 0.806 level. Kind of there was a bit of pressure for the price to move upwards, went up a bit. It was a good thing, a really good thing, and we set our take profit up top here, protecting it with the 0.83 level. That's exactly what the price tested over here. So the price tried to cross the 0.83 level, but it didn't. Then a bit of consolidation again, and then it just started tumbling down. And that's where our take profit was reached. Beautiful result, very, very well set take profit in the sense that it's really, stop loss in the sense that it's very well protected. A good take profit as well, and let's have a look and see where the price actually went up to. I think you might be a little bit surprised actually. So we're going to take the Fibonacci levels, and we're going to drag them onto our last movement of the Gartley pattern, and we'll see where they will end up. So we've dragged them like that. Now I'm just going to move them here, and what do you know? The price actually just touched the 161.8 level. Isn't that fascinating? That's exactly what we talked about in the previous tutorial. We said that the Gartley pattern gives you targets where to set your take profit, and something that I mentioned was you can either set it at 161.8 or 127.2, but we're going to set it somewhere in between because we don't want to cross the 0.79 level. We don't want to worry about it because the 0.80 level is strong enough. In practice, what actually happened, the price touched the 161.8 level and bounced off, and it's a resistance line over here. Isn't that just fascinating that we had a harmonic retracement here, 61.8%, a Fibonacci ratio. Then we had a harmonic retracement here, 127.2%. That's the square root of the Fibonacci ratio. And now we have a harmonic movement, 161.8%. Just something to think about, how mysterious and yet very effective these Fibonacci levels and harmonic retracement patterns actually are in practice. So that's it for today. Congratulations on that great trade. Also, it was a good example, good illustration of the usage and effectiveness of harmonic patterns. If you're interested to find more about them, I encourage you to read on and find additional information, because they can be quite useful in your trading. I look forward to seeing you on the next tutorial, and until then, happy trading.